Hi everyone, today I have 4 pieces to show and share my thoughts with you. They are from Sezane Archives, that are kind of the sales that Sezane does twice a year. Usually each archive has 3 acts. Right now we are having Act 1. At least until December 2023 it was like that. Usually in order to get to buy something you have to be very fast. One advice that I always say is know the name of the pieces that you want to buy, and instead of scrolling the archives page, write the name of each piece you want directly on the search bar. So I have 4 pieces but only 3 from the archives. One is a Betty cardigan that was on my wish list for a long time, and finally it was available in size large. Let's see if it's the right fit for me. You are going to tell me and help me decide. So let's get into the video. So this year there were some pieces that really caught my eye indeed, but the majority did not appeal to me in any way. So the pieces are here and we are going to try them together, and I'm going to talk you through what I think of them. Now, I will not be keeping all of these items, so I definitely need your feedback and help as well. If you have particular favorites from this video, one item that you think I should keep, I would love to know your opinions, so let me know in the comments down below. And let's get started with some knitwear. Knitwear seems to be Sezane's favorite pieces for the majority of you. So I ordered 2 knitwear pieces. So the first one is the Darius in green. This is the first piece. So this jumper is now available also in ecru, but it's not reduced. The green color was the one that made part of the archives, and it was reduced from $145 to $90. So I think a great discount. I managed to get this jumper in size large, and when I ordered it, I thought it wasn't my usual medium size and quizás will be too big on me. But I'm glad this was the only size available, as it's perfect on me. Size medium will have the sleeves too short for me. So take that into consideration if you want to buy the ecru version. This is a bright green, but I do love green, as you know, and this pop of color is great. Let's look at the composition, and I think it's made of a blend of 40% wool, 40% cotton and 20% polyamide. So it's very soft, which makes this piece perfect also for spring and also summer, for some cool nights in summer with a pair of linen trousers, a button-up linen shirt. It will be perfect. So I love the design. It has this knitwork all along the sleeves, very beautiful, also at the back of the sleeves. So if you love the design but prefer other color, like I told you, the ecru version is available, not at a reduced price. Remember, they do run small, and even on the website they say you should size up, and I definitely agree. So on first impressions, I do like this jumper. It's thick, it's an heavy fabric, it seems good quality. I love this detail of these shoulder buttons that open. You are able to open the buttons, which is very practical. For me, it's this kind of details, different details, that do elevate Sezane's pieces. These different details make it very special. What do you think of this jumper? Maybe you find the color the biggest butt. As for styling, I do love this green jumper, either with a pair of denim jeans, especially a dark navy denim jeans pairs really well with this bright green. I think it's a perfect combo. But also with some wide leg trousers, like an ecru pair of wide leg trousers, also an ecru pair of denim jeans, this jumper on my shoulders, so that you can see that it's really a pop of green. But I think it's very beautiful, I think it's joyful, allows us to brighten up our days when outside is very doom and gloom. Also, for spring, I think I will wear it a lot. Let me just try the Darius over the outfit that I'm wearing, so that you can have a better idea of this sweatshirt. Even with this outfit, maybe I will swap the belt for another color. Let me check in the mirror. This shirt doesn't have the classic collar, it has this lace eye collar, and I see with the buttons closed it looks better. Here I like to show some lace in the shirt and do like that, and also do a front French tuck. Always. It automatically gives more shape, it elongates my legs. I just love green. Green is just one of my favorite colors ever. But as you are seeing, even with this outfit, it's the perfect layer to head over this rim shirt and paired with these tailored trousers. Now I can add a wool long coat in Ecru, for instance, and I'm ready to go outside, not here in Lisbon because it's very warm. I could go outside as I am without any coat at the moment because it's 20 degrees outside, so perfect. Let's move on, and next I have the so-called, this famous Betty cardigan. So I managed, as I say, to buy the Betty cardigan in burgundy as I wanted. What shall I say about the Betty cardigan that you don't know already? So for those of you who haven't yet heard of this Sezane cardigan, this is a piece of knitwear made in 100% merino wool, and it's a heavy fabric, amazing quality, top notch. It's incredibly soft, not itchy, zero itch. You are able to wear this type of cardigans over your bare skin if you want. This is a cropped version, but it's not too short. It has a classic collar and it closes with these buttons. My striped one has gold buttons, but right now the new striped version has also tortoiseshell buttons. It has two chest pockets with flaps, and in my opinion is a really versatile cardigan, as you can wear it closed as a jumper, open over a t-shirt, a top, a tank top, a button-up shirt. You can also wear these kind of cropped jackets over midi and long skirts, or midi and long dresses. This cardigan can be styled up with a pair of tailored trousers for doing a workwear outfit, or styled down with just a pair of denim jeans, you name it, endless possibilities. So it has become a collection cult piece, and some people have it in several different colors. I myself own already 3. The other 2 Bettys that I have are all size medium and are perfect. This one is size large. Even so, I don't think it's way too big on me. Quizás a little bit. Medium was the perfect size, but I might keep this one, as I don't know if Sezane will be restocking these in size medium. Let me try this cardigan over the rim shirt that I'm wearing, so that you can have just a glimpse of the fit. So I have long arms and long legs, and the majority of cardigans and jackets are short on my arms. And even this size L, if I wear it over a button shirt, when I do like that, you see this is a kind of short sleeves for me. So let me just button up some buttons so that you can see how it fits over a button shirt. It's not too bad, and I think it's the difference between the size medium and size large, it's not really evident. And if I tuck it into my bottom, and I'm wearing my burgundy belt, it's the Levi belt also from Sezane. It matches perfectly with the Betty cardigan. I just love ecru with burgundy. It's just perfect. I think I kind of did a beautiful outfit. even with the rim shirt under the Betty cardigan and the Theophile trousers. These are also from Sezane. These are wool trousers, very soft, very warm, very comfortable for winter. For those very chilled, dry winter days, these trousers are just amazing. I think they are yet available. I will leave the link in the description box as well. The rim shirt, I know it's available in white and in pink. So what do you think? Do you like this outfit? Both lines are practically on my shoulders, so they are not way too down on my shoulder. I might keep size large. This color is more fall and winter appropriate. Not appropriate, but we kind of wear more of these burgundy shades during fall and winter. This kind of cardigan is perfect to layer, so size L will be even better to layer over a button shirt, a long sleeve cotton top. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts and let me know what you think. Shall I keep it? While I'm styling these new Sezane pieces, I don't know if you've noticed my new necklace and earrings. For me, no outfit is complete without accessories, and jewelry is definitely the cherry on the cake. So I have this new set from Lola Rose. This is not sponsored, but Lola Rose did send me these pieces. I already have 2 watches from them and I just love them. Thank you so much, Lola Rose, for sending me this amazing gift. So if you want to check Lola Rose website and are interested in buying some of their pieces, I have a discount code for you. Just use BEST10 for 10% off your entire order. So let's get back to our Sezane pieces. And now I'm going to talk about a sweatshirt. I do love a nice sweatshirt, not only to do a casual outfit. I do love this kind of sweatshirts paired with tailored trousers. I think the contrast between high and low, it's just perfect. The contrast in styles provides effortlessly chic outfits. So I was very happy to get this sweatshirt at a reduced price. This sweatshirt is made in 100% organic cotton and I went for this dark navy with the ecru letters. It's a carded cotton which make it more soft and comfortable. Size-wise, I went for size XL. I think it was the size available. Nonetheless, I do love a slightly oversized sweatshirt. I think it's more flattering. So I already own a sweatshirt from Sezane. It's beige with red letters and Amour Café Crème. And since I bought it, I think 2 years ago, I've been wearing it non-stop. It's tested and I guarantee the quality, as after being washed endless times, it still holds its shape and colors. And now I'm adding this navy to my collection, which increases my styling options. Let me just try it over this outfit that I'm wearing. Even over this rim shirt with these lace details here, I think it's perfect. It's a little bit big on me, as you're seeing, but I like it. You can adjust the sleeves like that. Here also do a French tuck. Doing a French tuck will elongate your legs and also give a little bit of shape in this waist area. And as you see, it's perfect with a pair of tailored trousers. And now let me do the French tuck. I like to fold a little bit more here, like that, so that it doesn't get too bulky around my waist. And I kind of tuck like that. Even with the burgundy belt, I think it's perfect. This is a very casual piece, but styled with some elevated pieces, you can get a really cool outfit, modern, and it's chic, elegant, comfortable, and I think it's perfect, this style. So I'm so happy with this, that I could get this sweatshirt. Just love it. So we're finishing off with the Scotland mini skirt. This is a wool mini skirt. It's actually made in 100% wool and it's fully lined with a viscose fabric. It's very comfortable. Although the wool, it's not itchy. This skirt was reduced from $130 to $60. That's a great discount. The pattern is very beautiful, very classic, this checked pattern. It's called hazelnut in the website, and it also has this cream and these green stripes. Very beautiful pattern. However, it's very short. It's a wrap skirt. It closes in this part with a button and here with these two gold buckles and leather straps. I love the design of the skirt, I love the fabric, I love the pattern, the colors, the quality, amazing. But unfortunately it's very short on me. I went for size 40, not only because it was the only size available, as is also my size in midi skirts for Sezane. I can't wear it, unfortunately, it's going to be back. So when you compare this one with the Betty skirt, you see it's almost 5 centimeters shorter. The Tanya mini skirt, it's the same width and again way shorter. So it's going back to Sezane. And that's my video for today. Let me know if you enjoyed it and if that was helpful for you in any way. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. If you haven't seen my latest Sezane haul with the pieces I bought from the January collection, I will leave the link here so that you can check it. And I will also leave another video here with all my Sezane shoes for you to catch up and enjoy. Thank you so much for dedicating your precious time in watching my videos. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate it. So thank you so much and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye!